Hey guys, my name is Desmond Oye. I came to a upload for my hair transplant, and I was so happy and pleased with their services. Starting from the customer service, they are fantastically doing well. They came to the hotel to pick me up, take me here. Their customer service, is top notch, and Dr. CAYMAZ was so articulate and so I'm very okay when he was doing the surgery. He did everything perfectly and he was so patient with me, and I hope the result is going to be a very good one.